In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix remote computer required network level or authentication. So this should be a quick and easy process video. So we are going to resolve if its Spider Windows domain controller cannot be contacted to perform NLA. If you are an administrator on the remote computer, you can disable NLA by using the options on the remote tab of the Assistant Properties dialog box. So this will help you be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, just go ahead, open up View Advanced as you can see. After that, just click on Remote, and then just click on Allow Remote Connections in this computer, then click on OK. Then remove this checkbox as you can see right now. After that, click on Apply, and then click on OK again. So this was an easy and quick process video. As always, thank you for watching.